proceed by our next topic, which is the operation on algebraic expression. So today, let us focus on adding and subtracting monomials. Okay, so our objective are, first, to determine monomials with similar terms, and the second one is perform addition and subtraction of monomials. So, but before that, let us review first about our topic last meeting. Okay, which is the algebraic expression. So, everyone, can you read the meaning of algebraic expressions?
Algebraic expression. An expression consisting of variables and constants along with algebraic operation. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division.
Okay, so meaning class, when we say algebraic expression, it is a combination of variable, number, or constant, and operation. So the example of algebraic expression is 5x squared plus 3. Okay, so using this example, let us identify the parts of algebraic expression. Now, what do you call x? Okay, very good. This is the variable of the given expression. Then, what do you call 3? Okay, very good. Constant. When we say constant, it is a number with a fixed value. Meaning, hindi siya pwedeng mabago. And then, ilan yung number na binigay? Dalawa. Isang 5 at isang 3. Kung si 3, siya si constant, ano naman ang tawag natin kay 5? Coefficient. Or specific, we have two types of coefficient. Very good. This is the numerical. Pag sinabi natin numerical coefficient, ito yung number na katabi ng ating variables. Do you understand? And then kung meron tayong tinatawag na numerical coefficient, meron ding literal coefficient. Let us identify the literal coefficient here. Yes, malagay nyo, what is the literal coefficient? Very good. Our literal coefficient is x squared. Oh, what is the difference between variable and literal coefficient? Yes, anak.
Variable po, yun po yung mismong letter.
Very-
Literal po yung kasama po.
Okay, so yun yung pinakaiba nila. Pag sinabi natin anak na variable, letter only. When we say literal coefficient, letter nakasama na ang exponent. Do you understand? Okay, so this time, let us proceed by the algebraic terms. Okay, so nagkakaroon tayo ng terms kapag meron tayo nakitang anong operation? Or, okay, how many terms do we have? 2 terms. Kasi meron pong addition sign. Meaning, ang ating expression ay nahati sa dalawa. And this is an algebraic expression with 2 terms. Okay, again, when we say variable, any letter or symbol that represent a number. And constant, a number that has a fixed value that does not change. Okay, so any question about algebraic expression? Do you understand? Now, let us proceed by polynomials. Familiar ba kayo? Yes, kasi na-discuss na yan nung kayo ay grade 7. Review na rin po ito ulit. So, everyone, can you read the meaning of polynomials?
Polynomial is a special kind of algebraic expression consisting of one or more terms where each term
Is a constant?
variable or a product of constant, coefficient, and variables raised to an non-negative integer exponent.
Okay. When we say polynomial, it is a special kind of algebraic expression. Meaning, anak, kung ito yung algebraic expression, nasa baba si polynomials. And take note, hindi lahat ng algebraic expression ay halimbawa ng polynomials. Meron tayong rules dyan. Okay, but let us focus first on the definition on polynomials. So when we say polynomials, it is a special kind of algebraic expression consisting of what? Ganun pa rin. May variable pa rin tayo, meron pa rin tayong constant, at meron pa rin tayong product of constant and variable. Ito po yon, yung ating coefficient. And raised to a non-negative exponent. Iyon yung rule natin. Kailangan yung exponent ng variable ay hindi daw po negative. Meaning, dapat laging positive. Okay, and polynomial is came from the Greek word poly means and nominal. Okay, in short, polynomials, many terms. Okay, now, proceed tayo sa rule. Algebraic expression is not a polynomial if meron tayong tatlo. Number 1, boys, can you read?
When the variable is the
Okay, when the variable is in the denominator. Ano sa Tagalog yon? Kapag daw yung variable ay makikita sa baba at denominator yon, tama ba? Kapag daw yung variable nasa denominator, therefore the given expression is not polynomial. O, example, 1 over x. Where is the variable? O, at the Okay, therefore this is not polynomials. This is algebraic expression, pero hindi siya polynomials. Do you understand? O, another example, 2x over y. Ilan ang variable? Dalawa. Yung isa nasa numerator, yung isa naman nasa? O, ganun pa rin. Dahil meron tayong variable sa denominator, not polynomials pa rin siya. Nagets na po. Okay, rule number 2, girls, can you read?
When the exponent of the variable is not a whole number.
Okay, rule number 2, when the exponent of the variable is not a whole number. The question is, ano ba yung whole number? Integers. Pag sinabi natin anak integers, positive, negative, and included C, 0. So, hindi siya integers. Okay, pag sinabi natin whole number, all positive numbers only. At included C, 0. Meaning, ang exponent daw po ay bawal maging, una, fraction. Pangalawa, decimal. Pangatlo, negative. Okay. Kapag ang exponent ng variable, si variable lang to ha, if the exponent of the variable is fraction or decimal or negative, therefore we can say that the expression is not polynomials. Example, x raised to 1/2. What is the exponent of x? 1/2, fraction. Therefore, this is not polynomials. Another, x raised to negative 3. What is the exponent of x? Negative 3. Therefore, this is also not polynomials. Ano pa? X raised to 0.5. O decimal naman. Polynomials pa rin ba yan? O no, not polynomials pa rin. So, any question about rule number 2? Do you understand? Ano lang dapat exponent ng variable? Whole number. Ano po yung whole number? All positive numbers included C, 0. And then rule number 3. Everyone, can you read?
When the variable is under the radical sign.
Okay, when we say radical sign, ito po yung sign na yon. Kapag daw yung variable ay nasa loob ng radical sign, therefore, o ganun pa rin, not polynomials pa rin siya. Any question about the rules? Do you know how to identify if the given expression is a polynomials or not? Naintindihan po ba yung tatlong rules? Okay.